Hi everyone, it's Nicole Johns. I just wanted to run through some changes to the New York State disability policy that you're required to have as a business owner for 2018. So a lot of business owners confuse disability with workers' comp, but they are two different policies, both required by the state of New York if you have any employees. Workers' comp is going to cover your employees if they get hurt while at work. Disability is going to cover them if they become disabled outside of work. So those are the differences. There's a new law for 2018, which is the New York Paid Family Leave Act, which gives your employees the ability, if you're a private employer, to take leave if they either have a medical illness, they have a child or adopt a child, or they have to take care of a sick family member. So initially they're allowed up to 8 weeks of leave at 50% pay, and it goes up to 12 weeks by 2021. So this new coverage is already included in your disability policy that you have set up with our agency, but the reporting is changed because that the paid family leave is going to be based on payroll. So when you log in, when you get your bill from Shelter Point, it's changed, and when you log online, I'm just going to use an example. You're going to need more information than you did previously. So when you log in, you'll use your disability policy number and your zip code, and it's going to give you the disclaimer that you have to provide paid family leave coverage beginning January 1st. Again, that's already included in your policy. Obviously, with the new coverage, the price has gone up because the potential for more people to have claims and go out and not be working is higher. So you're going to see this screen and you're going to understand and you wish to continue. Again, you can't opt out of this. This is required by New York State. So the first piece of information we're going to need is the current employees. If you pay quarterly, you're going to see, say, January, February, and March, you're going to see 3 months where for each month you're going to have to give the number of male and female employees. So you're going to total that up and we're going to save that and continue it. Now, and then you're going to enter the total of number of employees that are eligible for paid family leave. So unless you have an owner or officer that's included in your disability policy, everybody at your company is eligible. You could include owners in the paid family leave if you wanted to as well. So we're going to assume 23. Then it's going to ask you how many earn wages less than $67,907.84. So we're going to give that number. We're going to assume for this example that everybody earns less than that. And then we're going to have to get the quarterly payroll, the total wages, depending on your reporting, for the last quarter for all of your payroll. So let's see those. Let's just assume, again, for the example, that those 23 employees made $200,000 of payroll. We're going to save that and continue it. And you're going to submit that. And then it's going to give you a disclaimer that this is subject to audit. So when you provide your contact information, you can put that you're the policy holder, your name and email, and you'll verify that and you'll continue with the payment. And then again, based on the information that you input, you're going to get the total number. This is for the disability, so this is what you've been paying. And then this is the additional coverage, again, required by New York State law. And then this will be the total premium that you owe based on the information that you input. And you can go ahead and continue with the online payment. This is going to give you options for extra coverage if you wanted to add those on. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact our office. And then you'll go to the final page and put your account and routing number. So I just wanted to go through that because the reporting has changed. It's a little confusing, and there's definitely a misunderstanding between what disability is and what workers' comp is. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to call our office, 914-269-2334, or shoot me an email, nicole@thejohnsagency.com. Thanks for choosing our agency for your insurance needs, and let me know if you have any questions or we can be of any assistance.